Hello, I'm cgian. This video will show how to resize image in After Effects. After starting After Effects, we can click here to create a new composition. I will keep this setting and click OK. Now we have a new composition, and then we can import an image. We can go to File folder and click and drag the image into composition. So we can import the image into composition directly. Now, if we want to resize image, we can open the layer and open transform. We can find scale here, or we can use shortcuts, press S to show scale only. Now we can change the value in percentage to resize the image. Also, we can unlock the constraint proportions, so we can adjust the width only, or we can adjust the height only. So this is how we can resize image in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.